this is Becca with YouCanBookMe. Do you ever have meetings that you need to take where you need other people in your organization to attend with you? If you're like that, maybe you're a sales manager and you want to attend some calls with your sales team. Maybe you're training a newbie. Maybe it's just a Teams thing in your company, you like to work together. How do you set up a booking page so that you and your colleague can be automatically invited to all meetings and automatically have it in both of your calendars? Let me show you. So we're already logged into my booking page here. We're gonna pick a booking page. We're gonna go with one of my dummy accounts here and play with it a little bit. So right now it's just Becca Ryan. Hi, that's me. And this is set up to just book me right now. But maybe we wanna add in Bailey Bolton. Cool, we're gonna do a group meeting, me and Bailey Bolton. Obviously the booking page link says it's Bailey Bolton. Let's call it's Becca and Bailey. And let's hit save changes. Cool, that URL was available. Of course, I could change that image to be a picture of me and Bailey if Bailey wasn't my alter ego for demo accounts. But next thing we're gonna do is click on Who in the side menu, and we're going to make sure that my and Bailey's calendars are being checked for availability. So you'll see right now I have roughly 10 million calendars and it's checking them all. But let's hit edit. So you'll see I've already, in my Teams side of things, added Bailey Bolton as a team member in my YouCanBookMe account. If you're not sure about how to set up team members, we've got videos for that. But this is all about putting multiple team members in one meeting. So obviously all of my personal calendars are connected here. I've got my YouCanBookMe calendar. I've got my other work calendar. I've got both of my personal calendars connected. Heck, let's add in the Edmonton Oilers NHL calendar because I don't want to take meetings when my boys are on the ice. I want to be on that couch eating my chicken wings and watching them play. So I've got all my calendars. I'm not going to get double booked. Let's worry about Bailey Bolton now, who I've already connected in my team settings. Bailey Bolton currently has two options, and one is just holidays in Canada. So let's connect. It's Bailey Bolton. Awesome. Let's hit next. Which calendar should we make new booking events on? So it's only gonna let you choose one, me or Bailey, but we're gonna change that elsewhere, so don't worry about it. So pick one of them. It doesn't really matter which. I'm just gonna stick it on my own calendar, and then we're gonna have it auto add to Bailey's calendar. Let me show you how. We're gonna click additional options. We're gonna go down to calendar events. Why? Because we want to edit which calendars this event shows up on. Is that common sense or what? I know, it's like our dev team are smart when they build these things. So we're gonna automatically invite participants to my calendar event. So my LastPass is trying desperately to help here, but we're going to add in Bailey's email here. Cool, and by hitting enter, Bailey's email address is now gonna be invited to every single calendar event. So if you book me using this booking page, it's Becca and Bailey.youcanbook.me. You're not only going to only be able to select events that are in my availability, it's only going to show you events that are in both my and Bailey's availability. But when you actually make the booking, it's going to automatically put the calendar event in your calendar, my calendar, and Bailey's calendar. So just like that, Bailey's aware of all meetings, Bailey's invited to all meetings, and we can both show up to talk to you about whatever you want to talk about. And again, I know Bailey's not real, but just go with it. And as simple as that, that's how you get multiple people to show up to the same meeting on your side. If you're interested in learning about how to get multiple of your guests to show up in a group meeting scenario, that's another video. We'll get to it. If it's not live already, it probably is. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And as always, leave a comment if there's any other content you'd like to see or if you have any questions. Thanks.